Hey Gems, welcome back. It's Lorena. Today we're here as usual with the January Boxycharm unboxing. I did already open this. I may have dropped everything, hopefully. Nothing broke. But let's get into it, why don't we? So this month's theme is Rock 2018. Let's do it, girls. And you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products in here. Not shabby. So, first one that I threw back up here, not threw back, you know what I mean, I threw back in the box, is the Pores No More Luminizer Primer from Dr. Brandt. This is a very popular brand at Sephora, and the Pores No More line is super popular. I think they have one that's more for like oilier skin. This one is more luminizing, which means it's probably going to be better for dry skin, which I don't have, but I'm okay with that because that's not cheap product. It is $38 for that primer. So I'm excited to try this. I actually was just going through my collection, was like, I don't really have that many primers, and bam, there's another one. So, you know, alright, maybe it's time to let one go. I have a declutter coming up, so keep an eye out. We'll see. Next, we've got the It Brow Power Universal Brow Pencil. I've heard of this thing quite a bit. It literally only has universal taupe. And this, that primer, by the way, did not have a description on here. It literally just says Pores No More Luminizer Primer, $38. So, It Cosmetics Brow Power Universal Eyebrow Pencil. This one says, developed with plastic surgeons, It Cosmetics' #1 best-selling award-winning eyebrow pencil is infused with brow-enhancing biotin, lectin, saw palmetto, nettle, green tea, antioxidants, grapeseed, and vitamins A, B5, C, and E, plus proprietary brow power technology to give you your most beautiful, natural-looking brows. That's quite an ingredient list. Even if you have none at all. Plus, its universal transforming shade adjusts to all hair colors based on pressure. Its exclusive oval tip mimics the look of real hair, and it includes a built-in grooming spoolie brush for polish perfection. This one retails for $24. And I have been curious about this, I'm not going to lie, because I've seen some people talk about it. Okay, oval shape, they mean like this way. Like it's oval instead of like a little triangle like most. Or like a little pencil tip. So that's interesting. There's that. And the spoolie, which I always appreciate a good spoolie. Let's just give her a whirl, why don't we? Okay, so the more you push, the darker it'll get. But that's probably as dark as I want it with my brows and my hair combo, you know. But alright. I'm interested in this. I'm interested. Thank you. I'll take it. Alright, so that's number 2. Number 3. Ooh, it is from Crown. It is the Glam Metals palette. Retails for $25. Rock your look with the Crown Pro Glam Metals eyeshadow palette. These highly pigmented, ultra blendable shadows make smoky eye looks a breeze. Just like easy breezy cover girl. No, but it does remind me of that. Ooh, that's cute. Okay, so you have a little guitar shaped mirror, which I'm going to try not to blind you guys with, but I like the guitar like motif, the little wings there. If you guys watch Stephanie Lang, I feel like this is right up her alley. Alright, and then we've got, let's just take this baby off, okay? There we go, the eyeshadows. Honestly, it's not something like, wow, oh my gosh, amazing. Like, color scheme wise, you know, like the colors are cool. I'm not gonna lie and say like, I don't care about that. But is it anything out of this box, out of this world? Like, no, not really. And I don't think I'm gonna keep it just because, like I said, I'm trying to declutter. I'm gonna be good and share this with a friend. So I don't know, you guys. I really want to nail it in. I have so many metallic eyeshadows though that no, I'm gonna be good. I'm gonna save this for someone's birthday or just as part of this declutter, just because this is why I've been thinking like, should I keep getting Boxycharm? I get stuff and then I like give it away or don't keep it. So, but then the stuff I do get is totally worth it. Like the Dr. Brandt stuff I've gotten, girl, amazing. Like so many other things that I love from this box. So no, I'm not gonna stop, but I should, but I'm not going to. Alright, let's keep going. So, okay, next from Grande Lips. I've seen these at Sephora, obviously. This is the Hydrating Lip Plumper. This lip plumper infused with Volulip and hyaluronic acid instantly improves lip volume within 35 minutes while hydrating dry areas. Results may vary. This retails for $27, which is why I was never going to buy one because, girl, anybody got that kind of money? But now that she's here, ooh, I got the shade Fuchsia. That's bright. That's pretty bright. So there we go. And I know these ones, you just literally click the bottom and it'll come out eventually. See, but lip plumping isn't really something that I'm usually into or worried about, just because my lips are alright. You know, they're not like super thin. They're just kind of there. Alright, I'm going to try to pump some of this out though so I can. Ooh, girl. Test that fuchsia shade. Yeah, she bright. Look at that. It's almost like a neon pink. Alrighty. Should we try it, guys? Oh, that is so bright. Okay, I feel like the lip pencil I was wearing kind of toned it down a bit. I could actually see myself wearing this, so if you're curious, I was just wearing, like I said, a lip pencil from, what brand is it? Essence, and it is the shade Soft Berry. So I was just wearing this, just some chapstick, lip liner, filled in my lips. That's all I had going, so we shall see if my lips look plumper in a minute. But yeah, so far, it's not super tingly and burning the way like the Too Faced one is, which I appreciate because I hate that cinnamon scalding your lip sensation. But I'll let you guys know in a little bit if that changes. Okay, last but not least, we have the Pure The Complexion Authority Bronze and Brighten Cheek Palette. On the go highlight, bronzer, and blush palette with 3 skin perfecting powders to create an effortless and sun-kissed glow on every skin tone, featuring Pure's fan favorites Afterglow and Mineral Glow, along with a new blush shade Blushing Glow. Throw this in your bag and you're ready to go. This retails for $34, so pretty expensive box this month, guys. I ain't complaining about that. And has a plastic seal. It does, but very small. Literally has like a piece of tape. All right. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, so again, mirror. I'm gonna try not to blind you. I'm not sure about this bronzer. It looks very, very bronze, which I'm not really into. But this highlight looks pretty, and then the blush looks nice. It looks like it's a duotone. Am I the only one seeing like lighter, slightly deeper on those? I'm not, right? You guys see that too. Okay, just making sure I'm not crazy. So, let's do a little swash swash. Oh, that's really metallic. There's the blush right there. And I'm literally just going like between both shades, between the lighter and darker parts. There's a highlight. Dang, girl. That's a highlight right there. That's a highlight. And then the bronzer. Yeah, see, it's so metallic. Like, I don't know about you guys. If I do bronze, I don't want it to add a glow to my face. I just want it to add a little color. So I'm not going to use the bronzer for sure, but I will try the other two. Even if I feel like the blush is a little bit crazy on the metallic side too. But anyways, moving along. So we've got 38, 24. That makes 50, 62. 25 and 27 more makes that 52 plus 52 is 104 plus 34, $138. So almost $140 box right here for 21. Yes, I'll take it. Thank you. And yeah, I'm excited about most of this. My lips don't look super crazy plumped. It's been like 2 minutes, but they are starting to tingle just the tiniest bit, which I'm okay with. I love a good minty tingle as long as, again, it's not that crazy cinnamon burn your lips off craziness. So with that said, let's go into last month's update real quick. So the Crown Brush, Blush Brush, Face Brush, whatever this one is, I haven't used. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I have so many face brushes that I just haven't gotten around to using this one. So I don't want to pretend like, oh my gosh, it's amazing, when I don't really know that. So the blushes, I can say I do really like from Real Her. I actually really like this one mixed with that one a little bit. It just makes like a nice neutrally kind of tone with a subtle shine because of that little, you know, but I like it. I like this one quite a bit. I know it doesn't look like I've used it much. It's literally because I've just been like bouncing my brush in there. Like, not this one. But anyways, one of my brushes fits like perfectly on there. So yeah, like that one. I haven't used it too many times, but the couple of times I used it, I did really enjoy it. What else was from last month? I'm sorry guys, I'm trying to remember because I don't have everything spread out here. Oh yeah, I had the Tarte Tartist. This one I got in the full size, and I haven't used the full size just because I've been using this mini up. So I know I like this formula. I know it's a good mascara. So this one is just alright, cool. I'm glad she's here, you know. But I'm going to finish this one up first. So there's that. 1, 2, 3. There was something else. I literally just looked up what I got last month so I could remember, and I forgot again. What else was there, guys? Sorry, I'm like all over the place. Think. I don't even know. Give me a sec. Okay, it took me a minute to look it up, but I remember now. So, the Bella Pierre palette, this one I'm definitely throwing in my declutter because I'm never going to use this. I just don't use these type of like super bright corrector concealers, and so I'm not even going to swatch it. Haven't touched it because that one will definitely go to a better home. And then the last one was this My Lips Are Sealed gloss, or Pretty Vulgar lip color, and I love this one. This one I used quite a few times while I was at Sephora still. I haven't really used makeup since losing my job because I'm home all the time. I don't see the point of wearing makeup for my boyfriend while we sit here watch TV, so I haven't worn that much makeup. But last month I was wearing this all the time after I got it. It is a beautiful shade. It's not super sticky and gross. It's just a nice, pretty metallic gloss. And I loved it, and I got a ton of compliments, and one of my coworkers was like, girl, what are you wearing? Like, she literally bought it on the spot, like, online, when we were in the break room. So it is really pretty. I highly recommend them. So this one, yes, another great find from Boxycharm. And that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this, sticking around my channel. Let me know if you have any suggestions or any requests down below in the comments. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thank you so much again for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!